I am recording this again because the unboxing footage that I recorded, I accidentally deleted. Okay, so this is the Viltrox VL 200T, and you got two battery adapters here where you can put in Sony batteries. They're great. However, you need two batteries. It won't run off of one, so you need that. Luckily, it comes with the power cord so that you can run off the electricity. Again, here's the readout. You got channel 1. I think it was, I forgot how many channels you got, but this is great because you can use your remote control to change the settings. And right now, like I said, this is at 100%, and you can go down in increments of 1, but it does flip out if you do switch it fast. So from 100 to 20 and 5300 Kelvin. To switch out the Kelvin, press the rotating button here, and then you can switch it to the correct Kelvin that you want to use. And to change out the channels, I don't have this camera on the tripod, so I can't actually. Let's do it this way. There you go. So now it says channel 1 A, so I can switch it out to F, and then channel 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops. Up to channel 19. I'm not sure what that channel does, so we'll go back to channel 1A. And I'm not sure what that does, but there you go, back at 20% and back at 100% for me. Okay, like I said, this is pretty nice. Slight issue that I see is this is built out of plastic. It feels cheap, but this is light, so it's not really an issue. The base aluminum, but it feels cheap. It feels cheap, but it works. I probably wouldn't use it on heavy duty usage, like setting up and tearing it down all the time, especially this base here. But it works. If you can see how much it moves. I've had this on for about an hour and a half now, just to test out the temperature on it. I can still touch the front. It puts up very, very low heat. It's just warm, lukewarm. So this is really good light setup. I only have two lights set up for right now. One for the main and one as a background highlight for this iPad that I have on the comfort handle. I'm testing out the comfort handle because I got it as a test piece from comforthandle.com, and I'm loving this, but I just wanted to test out the lighting setup for this, and the Viltrox does work. It works really nice. I love the Viltrox, especially with the remote control feature. So this is great. Behind the scenes look at it. Got the Viltrox light unit. I'm actually only using a 2 light setup today instead of a 3. It's at 75% power, and I've calibrated to 5300 kelvins for the lights. And as you can see, 180th shutter speed, f4, ISO 400, and I'm getting pretty good. It looks like setup for this. I don't have that extreme highlight from the LED lights that you would see on those. Okay, so I'm not getting extreme highlights off of the LED lights. And again, I got this one set up as 5300 kelvins as well. And if you look at it, it doesn't look that bad. Okay, this is the how the light looks on the Viltrox. You got the white and kind of like the orange looking light here. That's your LEDs that's set up for the Viltrox. Right now, this is on 20% power and 5300 K kelvins. So at 20%, that's what it looks like. And to get this shot, I have this Sony a6500 on f/22 at 1/80th shutter speed, and I think the ISO was at ISO at 640. So 22, 25, 30, 41, 50, 61, 65, 75, 80, 92, 95, 100% at 5300 Kelvin. And I'm gonna switch this out. It's still at 100% Kelvin, but now I'm gonna lower it down on the Kelvin scale. So 5100 Kelvin, 5000 Kelvin, 4900 Kelvin, 4800 Kelvin, 4700 Kelvin, 4600 Kelvin, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 3300 Kelvin. Now, this only goes up in increments of 100, but this is at 3300 Kelvin. And as you can see from the white, it switched over to the orange. Now, going back up to 5300, I forgot to do it from 5600. So this is at 5400, 5500, and 5600. Going back to 5300.